Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventures. I'm Steve. How are you guys doing? Oh my god, this week is gonna be so crazy. Today is actually the first of D23. I don't have a ticket, but I have a ticket for Saturday and Sunday. So make sure you check out my Instagram, One Step Adventure. I may go live there. I may even go live here to show you guys what's happening over there. And also, if you want to get some pins from me, check out my Whatnot account. I do Whatnot live show a couple times a week. We do skincare, we do pins, we do mystery games. So definitely follow my Whatnot and use the link down below in comment. You also get discount and free money if you use the link. So check out my Whatnot, okay? So today we're gonna unbox a brand new Muppet Haunted Mansion mystery puzzle pins. Are you ready?
Yay!
Oh wait, two more. Finger crossed we can complete the set. The set completes total 10 pins plus 2 chasers. I don't think I have enough here, but you never know. So let's open this baby up. Wow, there's so many, so let's just open this now. Don't mind the baby, she's a little cray today. So each box is $19.99, literally $20. There's only 1 pins in here. I told myself many times, let's not get involved in the puzzle pins, because like if you can't complete the puzzle, then what's the purpose, right? So always very nervous about this. But good thing is we do Kraken events. I'm gonna be at Kraken next week. So make sure you check it out. What is this? So we got the first one here. I don't know their name. It is one of the character. Duh. But anyway, let me just put this in here. Let's go box number 2. Very nervous, very nervous. So if you guys want to buy my, I may just go live. So yeah, definitely check out my Whatnot show. You never know when I go Whatnot. Ooh, who is that? It's the Haunted Mansion itself. Okay, this pen is pretty big. It's about like an inch and a half roughly. So and like I said, we go to Kraken event, and the reason we go to Kraken event is also pen trading. And if I get duplicate, I may be able to trade them to somebody else's house. My tip for this is that if you want to buy puzzle pieces on the release date, do it at the Frontierland, because on the release date there can be so many pen traders trying to finish and collect the pins. So you'll have a huge chance to complete. So I don't even know who that is. Don't worry about it, Steve. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay. So exciting to open this. And the reason why I'm buying so many is because Uncle Don collects Haunted Mansions, and I want to surprise him with a set like this. So, you see how good I am? Oh, okay, good. So we're doing good so far. I don't even know who are these people. Do I have a chaser yet? No chaser yet. Okay, no problem. So leave a comment below, like, you know, are you a pen collector, and if you are, what do you collect? Would you do puzzle pieces like this? You know, because sometimes the mystery box, they are individual pins, it's kind of nice, but the puzzle one, you kind of gotta have the whole thing. Oh, first dupe. Okay, that's okay. It happens. And I don't even know the Muppets characters in here, so I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, who's that? Oh, good. This is, I think, one of the main characters. And if I cannot get a chaser, I'm fine. I just want to complete the set. You know, chaser usually for resales for way better deal, but. Another dupe, okay. So we got 2 duplicates already. Oh my gosh. And this is really hard because usually when I release pins like this, each person only limited by 5 boxes. It's like, well, how am I gonna complete if I can only buy 5? So we literally have to go to different store and repurchase them. So, oh, okay, we don't have this one. It's cute, little doggy. Little doggy, anybody know his name? The little doggy is on here. Okay, so let me show you where we are right now. This is 6 pins in here, 4 more pins to complete, but minus the chaser. The chaser is 2 in here. So I think we're doing pretty good. Oops. Like I mentioned, you know, I do Whatnot. Whatnot, it's like my new thing right now. You know, I own a cosmetic company called Yibu Beauty. So definitely check out yibubeauty.com, get your favorite skincare from me. And if you want to learn skincare tip and trick, every Sunday I have a skincare master classes at Whatnot too. Oh, I forgot his name. Kurt or this is not on the map. That's my first chaser, isn't it? Hold on. Do they say chaser in the back? Yes, this is the first chaser. See right there? Awesome, we got first chaser, yay! You know, if I'm gonna get duplicate, I'd rather get lots of chaser because chaser is much more too hard to find and there's better chance to trade the chaser to what I want. So, oh my god, another dupe. Okay, so that's fine. Pen trading is a huge investment. Oh, skincare masterclass on Sunday. Basically, oh Piggy! I will be doing skincare on my own face, and then you will follow along. You will follow with me every step away, and I'll teach you how to apply everything. And then if any question, you can ask me, so I can help you. You know, things like that. So you definitely want to check out my skincare masterclass. Put it this way, when's the last time when you put skincare you actually see difference on your face? If your answer is you don't see any difference, come to my skincare masterclass. The next one is this Sunday, I think 8 p.m. I alternate them. Sometimes I do 8 in the morning, sometimes I do 8 in the afternoon, evening, because people live all over the place, right? We want to make sure we cover everyone. So, ooh, Miss Piggy, Madame Leota. Wait, is this a chaser too? Because I don't see it. I think this is a chaser. Because I didn't see her on the map. Okay, we're gonna just keep it here for now. Let's see what happens. 2 more boxes left. Oh my gosh. Let me complete the sets, please. Another one. I think she's chaser. So that means we're not gonna complete the sets. Oh well, that's okay. Let's see this one. Okay, are you ready? You ready? Boom! Oh, I don't have this one. Okay, so let me show you what we have so far. Alright, anyway, so let me show you what we have right now. So this is what we have. The bottom here, I need 10 pins to complete. I'm missing 1, 2 to complete. And I'm pretty sure these 2 are chaser. So I got 3 chaser and 3 duplicate pins right here. Alright, so finger crossed I can complete it. I can complete this at the Kraken event. If you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here, turn on the notification bell so the time and day I release my video, and check out my Whatnot shop. I go on Whatnot all the time. I do Disney pins for really good value, and we do a lot of mystery box, mystery envelope game, and I do skincare. I bring you different skincare product, and I will also do my own skincare product so you can ask me questions all about skincare. So definitely check me out. I really appreciate it. I put all the Whatnot information down below. Use my link. You'll also get reward money back. So why not, right? All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow at D23. Let's go. Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and/or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.